What's up, YouTube? It's your boy G-Roy, and it's another new. Today I'm gonna be making a mixed smoothie, and these are the ingredients we're gonna be using. Why some more? A little bit of this. Slice it to smaller pieces because my blender doesn't have that much pressure. This enough. This one here is enough. Papaya. Then we're gonna get the oranges. Then so yes guys, we got the banana, the orange, the papaya, and then the apple over there. This is just what we're using for it. So guys, exactly how we wanted it. I suggest we should put in the papaya first because it's a little bit softer to take off. You're not gonna get everything in there, but it's alright. We left with blending it. Let's go. Let's see how it tastes like. Wow, we got a little bit of banana in there. There we go. You cannot miss this, I promise you. Okay, we got this in here. More apples. More apples. Look at me while I take this. Look at me. Look at me while I take this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Put a thumb up. Watch out for next week. We got something else coming. Didn't expect this to be like this. I never tried it. Let me know if you tried.